and now his name's Oreo. Ooh, Oreo, I love it. I have a black cat named Wednesday. Awesome. Another Siamese domestic short hair mix, Tinkerbell. She's on the truck with my husband, and it did make you smile. Good. Good. I'm glad that it did. I'm glad it did. But we totally understand. Fur babies get spoiled here. Teffy. What's going on, Teffy? How are ya? Over the weekend, I had a year anniversary of losing your baby boy, Jackie. Cat was like 20 years to kidney disease, so it was sad. He was your buddy. Yeah, I trust me, I get it. Pryor, what's going on? How are ya? Hello. Fur babies, yeah, we definitely don't deserve them. That's for sure. Come on, Lou. So I don't have to hear you griping. Come on, Lou. Come on. All right, we haven't started a damn thing yet. I'm not even mad. You know why? Because we're chatting it up like we should be, right? So let's dip this into the flour. I don't know if I'm gonna try and make it so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So dip it into some flour. And I did take the chicken breasts, instead of filleting them, I just flattened them out some. Pounded the meat, as the kids would say. Okay, we're gonna go into the eggs. And then I have Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, so we're gonna use those. Good, been slacking on streaming because of the new job. Hey, that's not slacking, it's called real life. And I'm glad to hear it's going well. Don't ever say you're slacking, you gotta take care of business first, okay? And we all understand that. Me especially. Definitely understand that. So don't ever say you're slacking, okay? You might have to get a little Judy chop. No hammer time. No, you hammer time the chicken? Yeah, I hammered the piss out of it. So, but I wanted to make sure. I'm gonna leave it sit off to the side here because I want the coating to really adhere to the chicken. So we're gonna put it over here. Okay, put it over there, and we'll get another chicken boob. And I have some scraps. I'm gonna cook those and give them to the pupperdoos, I think. Mrs. Darth is sleeping at the moment. When I got home, she was out. She went out with her and my mother-in-law went to the store to get a few things, and kind of knocked her for a loop a little bit. So she is sleeping. And I said, to hell with it. Like, I'm hungry. No. We closed the door, took all the animals out of the room so she could sleep. Just a little. just a little. Is it Rena? How do you, or do you want me to call you Blood? I hate to say Blood, but I prefer to call you Rena, if that's okay. But yeah, I'm a little bit of a Star Wars fan. Chewbacca is my fave. Darth Vader is my fave. We just kind of melt the two names together. Rena's good. Okay. But yeah, the missus is out for the count, so we're gonna let her sleep. So that's what we're gonna do. I think part of it too is the weather. Like, we had 40-degree weather last week, and now we're back in the 70s, almost 80s. So that doesn't play well with her migraines at all. So she definitely deserves a little rest. We need to disturb the bear.